again. Here we are in Vegas at Caesar's Palace. It's been quite a while since I've been at Caesar's. I'm staying in the Julius Tower, which was recently refreshed. It was one of their most dated towers until that refresh, so glad to have it. Because it's one of their older towers, the rooms are a little bit funkily set up. I don't know if that's a word, but funkily set up. So it's a relatively small room. It's one of their entry level rooms along with like the Palace and Forum towers. So don't expect too much, but we're gonna start here in the entryway. Nice new tile here. And sorry, I'm a little under the weather. You do get a full length mirror right here. It's a narrow entryway because they had to make room for the closet, which is right here, which it looks like they added or updated later. We'll get to the bathroom, which is to the right of me, but I'll go to the main bedroom right now. We are on the 7th floor, and this is the Julius Tower King Room. So you get a nice king bed, animal print kind of runner at the foot of the bed, a nice little ottoman here, yellow, faux leather, faux croc suitcase stand. You do get a nice 55-inch LG TV that's brand new, so that's quite nice. You don't get a lot of drawer space. Those are the 3 drawers you get. I'll show you the closet later, but on the left side is the drawers, the dresser, and then on the right side is the mini bar. No room for any personal items. They give you this big warning at the front that there's like a $75 charge if you do put anything in there of your own, so just be aware of that. All right, you get a cozy small little desk area here. Lighting is kind of meh in this room. There's no overhead lighting. Everything is coming from these 4 lights in the main bedroom. So at night, I'm right, the time right now is getting right to dusk, so it's kind of dark outside, but it's not that well lit. You do get a seating area here, like this funky chaise lounge kind of setup to match the chair right over here. And then I'm on the 7th floor, like I said, so the view is of the Nobu Tower. So you kind of see the strip from here, and you can see the Eiffel Tower of Paris, Cromwell, and then in the distance here is like Harrah's, but it's not much of a view from the 7th floor. On the higher floors, you probably get a better view. All right. As for the bed, you do get a nice little Sony clock radio that has, looks like it has inputs. I'm not sure it does. Oh, it has no input, so I'm assuming it's Bluetooth. Ooh, it doesn't look like it's Bluetooth, so it's just a radio. I'll play with that one, but nothing too much in the way of gadgets, tech. The curtains you have to move yourself. So we're gonna move on to the closet area. This is my main complaint here. So the door is open to the closet, and you can't move in. So you have to be right in front to get access to it. And there's no overhead light here, so it's kind of weird. When you open both doors, it's kind of dim and dark, and there's no interior light. So that's kind of weird. You do get a safe, iron and ironing board, but it's nothing to write home about. All right, we'll move on to the bathroom here. Bathroom is quite nice. So you do get, you see the glare, but you get a walk-in shower here, nice size walk-in shower. And you have the overhead, and then you have the freedom to use the second shower head as well. The only gripe here is that the toilet is literally right next to the glass pane to the walk-in shower, so if you want to share with friends, I mean, that may be something to think about. One thing I'm not a fan of is the fact that it's a sliding door closure. Never a fan of sliding door bathrooms. Nah, it doesn't really feel too private, but there's that. Vanity situation, you do get dual vanity, so that's good. You get these funky mirrors that you kind of have to be right in the center of to see well. I don't know if it's the greatest decision, but there's that. Products are the Quay Bath and Spa. It's all Gilchrist and Soam stuff. Nothing too great there. But overall, I mean, a nice little entry-level room. It's an improvement over what it was before. And so this is the Julius Tower King Room, an entry-level room at Caesars. I hope you enjoyed. See you again soon.